Partnering with Lyftrondata, Ali and his team in Intelicosmos are helping APAC clients to realize the true value of their data and leverage data for running a better business.
Yeah, thanks, George. I appreciate the opportunity you gave to me. And thanks to all the audiences. It's my pleasure to actually be here and walking you through one of the use cases we have done, and we found this actually useful for the community as well. It's all built in the Lyftron. I'm not doing any ETL. I'm not building the data dictionary, except as a data owner and a steward, I have to actually apply some classification or tagging as well. But the rest is actually automated. So all the lineage happens automatically. And because everything is virtual, we're building objects on top of each object. It actually generates all the dictionary and lineage as well. So nothing actually, I have to be worried about it.
That's wonderful, Ali. Thank you so much.